Hello, what is up everybody? It's Timmy here, your French coach with 10 years of French speaking experience, and today I just wanted to do a really simple tutorial on the two essential French auxiliary verbs, être, to be, and avoir, to have. These verbs are essential in any French conversation. These verbs are verbs you need. You have to have these in order to make simple phrases. Let's get right to it. So everybody, this is être, okay? This means to be in French. This is avoir. This means to have in French. In French, you're going to want to be using to have and to be all the time. I don't know why I'm kneeling down. You've got to use to have and to be all the time in French. It is also essential for many of the past tenses and very useful for future tenses as well, or composed future tenses. So, here with être, the most important ones you'll need to know with être is I am and you are. You see what I've done there? In English, it's I am, you are, whereas the infinitive form of the verb is to be, okay? So in English, just like in French, we use what we call conjugation. Conjugation is a massive pain. Conjugation is horrible. But guys, I'm going to try and make easy and painless for you, because today we're only going to be learning two parts of conjugation for each of these words. So we're going to be learning both I and you. So let's start off with to be. So to be, you start off with je suis. Je suis, okay? Je suis means I am. Okay, so let's go for you are now, okay? Tu es is you are. Okay, so now let's go to avoir. So avoir is j'ai, right? So that is J apostrophe AI, okay? And you have is tu as. So here's a couple things here. If you are a native English speaker, you are probably almost convinced that these two letters here on the end of the word, and probably this one as well, need to be pronounced. Well, in fact, that is not the case. In French, a lot of the time, the S's on the end of words are silent. So instead of saying je suis, or something strange like that, you say je suis. Instead of saying tu es, you say tu es. Okay, tu es. And then here for avoir, j'ai and tu as, and not tu as, or something like that, tu as. Tu as, that's a bit of a strange one there. But guys, just keep in mind, these are the only important tenses you need to know. And with these two simple have, to have and to be, you'll be able to make simple phrases. For example, I am tired. In French, you'd say je suis Je suis fatigué, which in English means I am tired. You see, this is a really simple phrase, and all you're doing is saying subject, conjugated verb, and an adjective. So I'm using the adjective tired here. I am tired. Je suis, okay? If you want to say you are tired, I'll let you guess this one. I'll give you a little bit of time to guess. Just pause the video and I'll give you a little bit of time to guess. Okay, so we're back for the answer. If this is je suis fatigué, it's really simple. All you need to do is replace je suis with tu es, okay? So, tu es fatigué. Tu es fatigué. So that is how you would say you are tired. So nice and easy. So let's get on to avoir. So avoir is a little more complicated to remember because you have got a J apostrophe AI. So for all of you that do want explanation on why this is J apostrophe AI, I will give you a quick explanation right now. If you're not interested, then just skip past this. But J apostrophe AI is written this way because it is written like this, without the apostrophe, okay? It's written je, ai, okay? The problem is, with writing J-E-A-I, is that we are following a vowel here with another vowel after it. So in order to only have one vowel, we take the E off, okay? So now we have J, right? So what we've done is we've removed the E and replaced it with an apostrophe. Let me give you an example in English. We do this when we say something like, he isn't, okay? He is not. We replace the O with an apostrophe, and in this case, we've replaced the E with an apostrophe. So, j'ai instead of je ai, right? Tu as, nice and simple. Okay, right, so, let's just say I have a cat, okay? So in French, you'd say, j'ai un chat, okay? J'ai un chat. Yet again, this can be considered a bit strange because j'ai un chat, I'm sorry if I'm writing so small, but j'ai un chat has a T on the end of it, right? Chat has a T. In chat, you do not pronounce the T, but it is there, okay? Often, if vowel, consonant, like T, A-T, like that, you will not pronounce the T. It will be silent, okay? So, j'ai un chat. So if you want to say, you have a cat, you'd say, I'll give you a little bit of time to figure this one out. It's quite simple. Just do exactly what we've done here. So replace je suis with tu es in this example, and you will have the answer. I'll give you a little bit of time to figure that one out. So right back to it. Tu as, okay, so if you want to do tu as, it is tu as un chat. Tu as un chat. You have a cat. So yes, these two verbs are called auxiliary verbs and are necessary in the French language. If you know être and avoir in these two conjugation forms, me or I and you, then you'll be well on your way to learning better French. This has been Timmy, your coach with 10 years experience in French, and I'll see you in the next video. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are watching this on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.